ball will go to the team of Dayu Season. Number 15, pass to Monterola from the downtown. Monterola to Uli. Mga tayo may stopping jump.
Lubat.
Makatol. Pass to number 28. Number 28 with the ball. Laurio crossing the lane. Trying to attack the defensive center. Hanging up on the air. Good for two by Laurio. Now Monterola. No good. Monterola with a good puck again. Good for two by Monterola. Now the rest of the bouncing ball crossing the lane, acting like a point guard, signaling for play. Fake from the downtown, Leret, 3 points. On the shot, pass number 3, a timely pass to the center. And the shot, pass number 7, good pursuit by number 7. Leret, now Leret to the bouncing ball, going to the team. Dayu Season trying to cross over, using the defense, Alex move. Attack defense, drop pass to Uliba under the basket, block. Rebounding by Makatol, side 7 move, good pursuit by Makatol. The bouncing ball, acting like a point guard, asking for a screen, guarded by Uliba. Pass to estimate number 15. Fake pass from pass number 7. Follow up jumper. Goal for 2. Nasudan enters up to number 7. And number 7 crossing the lane. One pass to Villanueva. And Villanueva hanging up in the air. And good for 2 by Villanueva.
Nagpahalata na dito.
No good. Put back. Good for 2 by Uliva. Now I don't know if time to shoot. As number 8 was taken by Jason number 8. High pass to the part of the bouncing ball, hanging up on the air. And that's 2 points. Stopping jump from the downtown shot. Rebound taken by Abella. Now playing the bouncing ball. Just pass to Adam Tante. Tap the ball. Good for Acero. Now Acero stopping jump in the area. Good, no good. Put back by Northern Nugget again. It's trouble ball. It was taken by Abella. Now Abella the bouncing ball. Just pass to the part of all alone. And that's 2 points. Need to go with the rebound. Intercepted by Abella crossing the lane. Pass to Beltran. Now Beltran with the bouncing ball. Pass to Abella. God for 2. Last 20. Now Uliva with the bouncing ball. High pass to his teammate. Makatol. Pass to Leret. Now there's a foul. Right throw by Leret. Yes, good one. Now Laurie with the bouncing ball. Pass to Baguio. Drop pass to Makatol. Goal for 2 by Makatol. Monterola comes ball pass to Bartolay. Bartolay crossing the lane, trying to attack on defense. Ball pass to number 3. Goal for 2 by number 3. Goal for 2 by Baguio. Monterola gets the ball. High pass to his teammate Bartolay. Fake. Attacking defense. Drop pass to Monterola. Goal for 2. No good rebound taken by Uliva. High pass to Makatol. No Makatol hanging up on the air. And got 2 points by Makatol. Crossing the lane. Attacking defense to the center. Drop pass to Laurio. Goal for 2 by Laurio. Ball. Pass to number 34. Attacking defense. Floater shot. Goal for 2 by number 34. Now bagging the ball. Pass to Uliva. Pass to Leret. Now Leret fake. Attacking defense with a floating shot. Goal for 2 by Leret. Last 6 seconds. Now Bartolay receive the ball. Last 3, 2, 1. Goal for 2 by Bartolay. Looking for his teammate. Fake pass. High pass to the Para. Now the Para receive the ball. Pass to Indrina. Now Indrina with the ball to the center. Extra pass to the Tante. Kick off pass to the Para. From the Para. Stopping jump. Drop pass to Indrina. Goal for 2 by Indrina. High pass to his teammate Magnifico. Magnifico with the ball. High pass to number 7.
Wow, jump shot.
Goal for 2 by number 7. And now Adorna gets rebound. High pass to number 8. Now number 8 with the bouncing ball. Goal for 2 by number 8. Last. Goal for 2 by Beltran. Now number 11 attacking the defense. No good. Put back number 8. Good for 2. Now the Para to the bouncing ball. Attacking defense. Ball up jumper. Goal for 2. Last one see the ball. Crossing the lane. High pass number 18. Magnifico. Goal for 2 by Magnifico. 6 seconds. Number 15 receive the ball. Acting like a point guard. Try to attack to the center. Drop pass out of Tante. Goal for 2 by kick off pass to number 8 from the downtown shot. Last 22 seconds. Shot clock is off. Now the Para. High pass to Beltran. Goal for 2. Now Magnifico with the ball. Last 10. Goal for 2. Last 5 seconds. Pass to Atol. Ball up jumper. No good. Rebound taken by Monterola. High pass to Adorno. Adorno with the bouncing ball. Goal for 2. 5. Now Adorno with the bouncing ball. 1 for 2 by Ador. Rebound taken by Uliva. Pass to Leret. Now Leret crossing the lane. At tanim stopping jump drop pass to Makatol. 1 for 2. Leret from the downtown. No good. Monterola gets rebound pass to Magnifico. Now Magnifico hanging up on the air. 1 for 2. Meantime 7 minutes in 21. Abel money ball pass to Indrina. Extra pass to Leret. 1 for 2 by Leret. Number 8 pass to number 3 with bouncy ball. At the hand defense with side taking move. Monterola, 1 for 2 by Monterola. Ball. Drop pass to Magnifico. Block by Abelia. Adorna to the rescue. 1 for 2. Follow-up jumper. And in out. Rebound taken by number 43 is a pass to number 11. Acero. 1 for 2. That was taken number 43. Pass to number 8. High pass to number 11. 1 for 2. 5 minutes flat. Now Leret stopping jump. Kick out pass to Abelia, follow-up jumper. 1 for 2. Out of Tante, money ball pass his teammate Indrina. High pass to out of Tante with the bouncing ball. Nasrutan, it was taken by Laurio with 9 to shoot. Pass to Leret from the downtown. Leret rebound. Go wide open 3. Short, rebound taken by Abelia. Now Abelia with the bouncing ball, got number 8. High pass to Leret. Now Leret crossing the lane. Now Leret looking for his teammate. Pass to Indrina as a pass to Adoptante. 1 for 2 by Adoptante. Monterola wide open 3. Short. Rebound taken by Monterola. Pass to number 8. 1 for 2 by number 8. For 2 strong. Rebound taken by Abelia. Pass to Leret. Now Leret with the multiple pass to Indrina number 27. Now Indrina. 1 for 2. Number 8 high pass. Intercepted by Adoptante. Pass to Leret. Drop pass to Lario, 1 for 2. Block by Adoptante. Number 3, money ball pass to Adorna from the downtown. Adorna to number 5. Number 3 rather. Bound pass to number 11. And number 11 was the ball. High pass to Monterola, 1 for 2. Abelia goes rebound. Rolla, 1 for 2. High pass to the Parap. Parap pusing the ball. Kali betul musuh team. Kayu Sisan. Just pass. And intercepted by number 15. Bartolai. 1 for 2. Betul. Makatol using strength. Nasutan by Tumbaga. Looking for his teammate now. Tumbaga. High pass to Magnifico. Now Magnifico. 1 for 2. High pass to his teammate Makatol. To the center. Too strong. Baguio gets rebound. He spin move. 1 for 2 by Baguio. Fly. Now Bartolai pass to his teammate number 3. Number 3 with the bouncing ball. Attacking the defense by Makatol. Easy 2 points. The ground pass to the para bypass to Baguio. Quick. 1 for 2 by Baguio. Intercepted but a scramble ball position was 0. High pass to Magnifico. 1 for 2. Number 43 gets rebound. High pass to Magnifico. Now Magnifico hanging up on the air. 1 for 2.
Ay, mundo na.
Now out of pocket, pass to Leret. Roll up jumper, good for 2. Now Leret intercepted the ball. Crossing the lane. Now Leret with the ball. Floater shot, good for 2 by Leret. Now Leret with the ball. Guarded by Tumbaga. Crossing the lane. Leret attack defense. Pass to Abelia, back to Adoptante. 1 for 2. Now Monterola from the downtown shot. Number 8, follow-up jumper. 1 for 2 by number 8. High pass to Adorna. Now Adorna. Now Magnifico with the ball. Pass to Adorna, no good. Magnifico with a good back, no good again. And scramble ball, it was taken by Adorna. Pass number 8, follow-up jumper. 1 for 2. Laurio. Now Laurio with the bouncing ball, crossing the lane. Pass to Indrina. Now Indrina with the bouncing ball, stopping jump. 1 for 2 by Indrina. Last release in 18. From the downtown, Leret 3 points. 1 for 2. 7. Magnifico. 82-72 the score. 12 to shoot. Pass to number 1.
Wow!
Letter 3 points. To Adorna. Fake. At ang defense to the corner. Half tip move. Short. Malas put back. 1 for 2. 2 minutes. Adorna at ang defense. Side stepping move. Drop pass to his teammate. Monterola. 1 for 2. Now good again. Rebound again. Monterola pumps the ball under the basket. 1 for 2. Number 18. Ball of jumper. No good. Rebound again by Beltran. Now Beltran pass to 18 to shoot. Now Baguio 10. 1 for 2. Last 14.3. Last 10. Best player of the game, no other than